How can you be certain a job candidate is proficient with the engineering or design software your firm relies on? And once on board, how can you ensure their skills, and those of the broader team, stay current and competitive? KnowledgeSmart Assessments, available as an add-on for ImagineIt's ProductivityNOW professional development and support platform, enables hiring and team managers to conduct accurate CAD skills assessments. It's simple. Identify skills gaps using KnowledgeSmart's in-depth online tests and reporting. ProductivityNOW will then prescribe specific course content to help close those gaps. Users benefit from focused learning that is aligned with the skills they need to refine. Assessments can be self-assigned or assigned by supervisors. Either way, employees stay motivated by quickly enhancing their skills, which they can immediately put to work on a project. And KnowledgeSmart reports provide insights into the entire team's skill level and how your organization is progressing. Investing in continuous learning initiatives maximizes the proficiency, productivity, and potential of your employees and organization. Whether you're already a ProductivityNOW subscriber or new to the platform and KnowledgeSmart, contact ImagineIt to transform learning in your organization.